Wimbly woke up in the morning. "Oh boy, today's going to be fun," Wimbly said. But when he looked around, his room was a disaster. Toys on the floor, socks on the chair, books piled up on the desk. Wimbly didn't care. He grabbed a toy car and zoomed it across the floor. Vroom vroom. But thump, he tripped on a block. "Ouch, my toe!" Mom opened the door. "Wimbly, your room is such a mess. You need to clean up." Wimbly frowned. "But cleaning is boring. I just want to play." Have you ever felt like cleaning up takes all the fun away? After breakfast, Wimbly wanted to play outside with his bright red soccer ball. But when he looked for it, it was gone. He looked under the bed. Nope. He checked in the closet. Just old shoes. He even peeked under his blanket. Only pillows. "Where is it?" Wimbly groaned. He sat on the messy floor, arms crossed. His friend Mia called from outside. "Wimbly, let's play soccer." "I can't," Wimbly said sadly. "I lost my ball." Mia said, "Maybe if you cleaned your room, you'd find it." "Ugh, but cleaning takes forever," Wimbly complained. Wimbly stared at the mess. He whispered, "Should I clean or just give up on soccer?" He looked at the camera. "What do you think I should do?" Wimbly sighed. "Okay, maybe I'll just start small." He picked up one sock, then another. He stacked his books. He put toys in a box. Soon his room looked actually kind of nice. Something shiny rolled out from under the desk. "My ball!" Wimbly shouted. He ran outside with it. "Mia, I found it. Cleaning worked." Mia smiled. "See, being responsible makes life easier." Just then, Leo came running over, holding one of Wimbly's lost crayons. "Hey, this rolled into my yard." Wimbly laughed. "I guess cleaning even brought my crayon back too." The three friends played soccer until the sun set, laughing the whole time. Wimbly learned that responsibility isn't boring. It keeps us safe, helps us find what we need, and makes life more fun. Parents, if you want your kids to be responsible, subscribe to Wimbly Official and watch more wise stories.